Welcome guys. In this video, I'll introduce to CapCut, a simple and beginner-friendly video editing app that you can use to start creating your own videos. Before we dive in, I want to mention that there are other ways to create videos. If editing doesn't feel like your thing, that's perfectly fine. There are other tools that can automate video creation with just one click. However, if you want to bit more control and flexibility, CapCut is an excellent choice. Now let's get started. You can use CapCut on both your computer and your phone. So pick whichever works best for you. If you are on a Mac or Windows, you can download it directly from CapCut.com or just use it from their website. Just follow the instruction to start and open the app. Once you launch CapCut, you'll see an option to join the Pro version here, but you don't need to get started. The free version has all the tools you need for basic editing. At first, must register or sign up to CapCut. It's a just 1 minute task. This is the profile I created in the morning for this video. If you have a little bit experience from other editing tool, it will be very much easier for you. Just create a new, or don't worry, if you're a beginner, that's fine. Just create a new, and there are lots of options. So for this course, we'll actually focus on 9:16. I mean, TikTok or YouTube or Instagram Reels, definitely YouTube Shorts. And there are other options, but I'll choose this one. In the upcoming videos, I'll show everything, all the features from this tool. I mean, the media section, template, elements, audio, text, caption, transcript, everything. And it's a all-in-one tool. I can say that because all the option it has. You don't have to go another tool for the caption or transcript or audio, text, animation. Everything will find over here. Pro version has more option, as you know. All the tools has the Pro option, but in the free option, you can just start right down without any problem. For your inspiration, I can show you a project that I recently completed in the morning and uploaded to one of my YouTube channel for the testing, just to show the results to you. So let's go to the recent draft, and I just completed this video. All the clips are extracted or downloaded from various sources. All things are free. And let me show you the results, what actually happening in this video when I just uploaded this video into the YouTube. Let me show you the results, okay? So you can get some ideas. I have uploaded this video over here. We can go to the analytics. Actually, this video, most of the views actually comes from short speed. Actually, it takes time. It's a new channel. 19 subscriber, 256 video. Just download it from other channel and just upload it to testing. But I'll just show you everything in this channel so that you can understand how it works. So I think it's your time to get started with the CapCut and try yourself. In the upcoming videos, I'll show you how to generate custom audio clips using AI tools and combine them with your video edits. For now, make sure you have downloaded CapCut and explore the interface. Take your time experimenting with the app, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you, guys.